Hi, this is Tim Badgett from Cognex, here to demonstrate the DataMan 500's ability to quickly and easily read 1D symbologies. The configuration here is simulating a single tote scan application, or even one of many that could be in sequence for a tilt tray application. The codes I'm using are actually damage codes representing typical issues you would see in a logistics environment. For instance, a white streak where a code could be torn from a guide rail. I'll present it to the reader. You'll see and hear that it quickly and easily read despite orientation 360 degrees and despite the tear in the code. Same with black damage, a black mark in the code. Not an issue for the reader from any angle, 360 degrees of rotation, with perspective, quickly and easily reading. This one here, there's a large chunk of the code missing. This could simulate reflectivity on a plastic sleeve, or even, again, damage where a laser would miss this code and have to recirculate. We're going to read it quickly and easily the very first time we bring it through the field of view. Another typical issue, we have quiet zone violation. Without reconfiguring the reader like you would with a laser, we can read it very quickly and easily as soon as it grabs the field of view. Another big issue, contrast. You'll see quickly and easily with very low contrast, say a labeler is running out of ink, no problem at all for the DataMan 500. Last but not least, we have a hole in the code. Again, reflectivity, damage from a guide rail, even with perspective. Again, with 360 degrees of rotation, the imager is able to quickly and easily read it. The last code I want to show here is actually a good code. We have a grade A code, no damage at all, but I would like to demonstrate what we call perspective, its ability to read from extreme angles. I'm going to start with the codes back to the camera and slowly rotate it into the camera's eye, and you'll hear it grab and read when only about 10 to 15 degrees of the code is exposed. So we say 80 plus degrees of perspective. This will get you through issues where box are getting kicked on corners, or situations where you're really forced to mount the camera at extreme angles. No problem for the 500. I have a shipping label here as well, and you'll notice I covered two separate points with a mask, and these points actually overlap one another across the 1D symbology to the point where there's not a single line that I could pass through here that would consume every bar within the barcode. As you'll hear and as you can see, we're reading it. Even though there's not a single point where I can gather every bar, we're able to join all portions together and read it despite the masking of the code.